الكرام، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أود أن أرحب بكم على متن رقم 1571 والمتجهة بمشيئة الله تعالى وعنايته إلى مطار البحر الأحمر الدولي كأول رحلة على متن الخطوط الجوية العربية السعودية.
The efforts that went into opening the airport and bringing our first flight ever has been tremendous. I want to thank everybody who's contributed towards this momentous day. It's really our first step towards opening up Red Sea to the world and putting Saudi Arabia on the global tourism map.
مرحبا بكم بمطار البحر الأحمر الدولي.
Amazing sense of pride. Our hearts are filled with joy.
Seeing RSI and the screens on the airport is something that cannot be explained, and it's a great feeling.
Such an incredible milestone to have the first commercial flight leaving RSI back to Riyadh and having already landed. It's an incredible day. We're all so proud, and the journey continues, and what a way to head into the weekend. Alhamdulillah.